It's time for another 100-mile march against cancer. Last year, I followed in the footsteps of my hero, James Scott, Duke of Monmouth, and his failed rebellion of 1685. We marched 100 miles from Lyme Regis all the way up to Bristol. This year, we've something different. So this year, we're going back about 1600 years to the Roman occupation of Britain. I'll be marching the length of the River Parrett from source to sea and back again, all in full Roman armour. This challenge is going to be mentally and physically exhausting. So why am I doing it? Well, I'm doing it for this charity, Hospice Care. In late 2019, we finally lost Dad, and it was Hospice Care who came with compassion, care, the very best of staff, and the very best of equipment. They made this impossible time bearable for the whole family. Without them, who knows what would have happened. So this challenge is going to be really exhausting for me, and please dig deep and donate as much as you can. Thank you very much.